Live with start page, take one.
Marcus.
Action.
Action.
Cut.
Hi, I'm Erica, and this is Life with Start Page. Can I do that again? Let's say you're a small business owner, like me, and also like me, you need to manage 1,000 different things, including your website. And it's difficult to painlessly update most sites with your latest content. So, no. Start Page makes it easy to create a beautiful home for your brand. It's where you can showcase things that actually matter to your audience. Remember business cards? Well, Start Page is like an online business card. It puts your brand first, literally, because your unique URL is the first thing visitors see. Plus, you can make it your own with Start Page's free templates and be up and running in a flash, unlike other free tools. Gray, charcoal, off black. Simply create your page, drag and drop your content, claim your URL, add it to your social profiles, and you're in business. Start Page by Buffer. A place your business can call home.
Cut.
Ha! Pretty good, right? One take wonder.
72 takes.
Is that a lot?